Hello friends, in this video we are going to see what is Git Pull. So Git Pull is nothing but it is the combination of fetch and the merge command. So we will see now what is the fetch and the merge command. So Git Pull is used to fetch and merge changes from the remote repository to the local repository. Git Pull is the combination of two commands, git fetch followed by git merge. What it means, git fetch, it means we have to fetch our remote repository to the local repository. After that we have to merge that remote repository with our local repository. So that's why it is the combination of git fetch and the git merge command. Here you can see in more details, like git fetch command downloads content from the required remote repository as I told. Git merge command combines multiple sequence of commits into a single branch. So git fetch is nothing but it is used to download the content from the remote repository, whereas git merge it's nothing but it is used to merge the remote repository with our local repository. So now let's see the actual demo of the git pull command. So in the previous video we have seen like how to create the project and how to push it into the GitHub. So now we will pull back the same project into our local system. So let's see how to do that. Here I'm going to open my git bash. So here it is open. Now I will first make one folder using mkdir command. So the name of this is suppose change, and let's see the folder is created or not. So yeah, it's created, right? So here what I'm going to do is, here now I'll close this. I'll open the git bash here because I want that remote repository folder to pull here. Then what I'm going to do, I'll just enter the simple command git init to make our project ready for GitHub. So in this it will create one simple git git.git folder. If you have not seen my previous video, I explained this already into my previous video. It is hidden folder. Now we have to pull our remote repository, right? So for that we have command git pull and the URL we will get from here. So simply we have to copy this and we have to paste this here and just need to enter. Now here the pulling is started and the pulling is done successfully. So now if we come into the folder, here the project is pulled successfully, right? We have the two folder into this project. Here you can see the index and the home HTML, the same we have get here. Now what I will do is I will just modify some content of this project and again I'll push the project into the GitHub. So before that what we'll do, we'll edit something from this files. So for that we will open this into the notepad. The folder name is and the file name, this is open, and here I will put some content like this is index.html file. I'll save this and I'll exit from this. Similarly I have second file that is home.html. I'll open this and in this also I will put the same, this is home.html file. Both the files with changes are ready with us, right? Now we know before doing anything we have to check the status. Now these two files are modified, so after modifying we have to add this into the staging area. For that we have command git add dot is represent here all the files which we have changed. Now we will again see the git status, and now here you can see it is showing into the green color. It means it is added into the staging area. Now if you don't know what is staging area, then you see my first video, there I explained in detail the flow of the GitHub. Now moving forward, here after adding into staging area, we have to commit these files. For that we have command git commit -m, and here we have to specify like changes are done in both the files. This is my message for this commit. So this is committed successfully. Now I am going to add this into my remote. For that we have command remote git remote add origin, and then I'll put here my URL, that is this URL, because I have to add this into the remote. Now if I'll see using git remote that what are the repositories are there, so this here is origin is one repository in the local. Now using git remote -v, we can see the URL for push and for fetch, right? Now what I'll going to do is I'll just simply enter command git push -u origin and the master is name of our current branch and origin is name of our repository. After this this will get pushed automatically to our project. Before that we will see what is the content present into the existing file. Here you can see these are the content which we have uploaded in the previous video. So after pushing this, let's see the contents are getting changed or not. So I entered here and it started uploading. So here it is uploaded successfully. Now I will go to GitHub and will refresh this page once again. So now when I will open this file, here the new content you can see, this is home.html file, and in this is index.html file, and with that we have one message: changes are done in both the files, which we have given while committing our files, right? So this is how simply we can push our project into the GitHub, pull our project from the GitHub using some very simple commands. So I hope you like the video, and if you like, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will try to bring this kind of interesting videos for you, and if you have any doubt, then please comment me in this video. I will try to reach out to you as soon as possible. And if you don't want to miss my upcoming videos related to GitHub or related to any other technology, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Jai Hind.